Alright, let's go find some tits. I'm on a mission to get better behind the camera, so what better way to do that than to film tiny, extremely fast-moving birds? I didn't think this one through too well. There's some tits around, but they're so fast. Gosh. Wait, if you're new here, let me introduce myself. Hi, my name's Marina. I was born in Brazil, raised in Australia, and I'm an aspiring wildlife filmmaker. I've been very privileged to have traveled to some amazing places and seen some incredible wildlife, so I wanted to share them with you here. Okay, back to the tits. We have just come across a little family of long-tailed tits, I think. I can't really see them that well from this far, so we're gonna have to try see if we can film them and then ID them. While we struggled to capture the tits, we did see some other friendly faces. Now here's the hard part, is actually trying to catch them. They move so quick. Oh, this is gonna be frustrating. So we're looking for some tits, and in the UK there are 6 true tits. There's the coal tit, marsh tit, blue tit, grey tit, willow tit, and crested tit. Can't believe I got through all of those. But there are also long-tailed tits and bearded tits. They, however, are not true tits because they don't belong to the family Paridae. It's so cute. Hey, bud. Where's your owners? It was rainy this morning. I thought we were gonna get soaked, so we got very lucky with the weather. La da da dee da 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 da. La da da. I hear them. They're somewhere around here. I can hear them. They are here, but they're so fast. Every time you get the camera on them, they're gone. Oh. Oh. I feel like they're everywhere, but every time we try to get a shot, they just fly off, and it's so hard. So I think we're gonna have to call it for tonight and try again another day. So let's see. The tits won this day, but we'll get them. I don't know if you can tell, but it's really cold out here. But we're gonna head off to Cardiff today, and we're gonna go try film some birds. So come along. While the weather was miserable, I had high hopes because this time I learned from my mistakes and I went to a hide. And I finally managed to get some tit footage. So although it took a couple of days and there's still a lot of room for improvement, I'm really glad we went out there and tried our best. And I think the main thing I learned from this was that hides can be very useful tools in wildlife filmmaking. Now, I'll definitely keep practicing, and I hope that someday I can use this as sort of proof to see how much I've progressed. But until then, see you next time.